Hi everyone, welcome to Glitch Guru. In today's video, we'll show you what to do if Google Chrome keeps opening random websites automatically on your Android phone. To fix this, open Chrome and tap this three-dot icon at the top. Now, select Settings from the list. Here, scroll down to tap on Site Settings. In this menu, scroll down to the Content section and tap on Pop-ups and Redirects. Finally, turn off this Pop-ups and Redirects toggle. Now, go back to the main settings page. This time, select Privacy and Security. Here, tap on Delete Browsing History. Now, select this Cookies and Site Data, Cached Images and Files and Site Settings option. Then, hit Delete Data. If you continue to experience problems, long press on Chrome icon. Then, tap this Info icon. Here, scroll down to tap on Storage. Here, tap this Clear Data option. In this menu, tap this Clear All Data. Finally, hit OK to confirm. Once you do this, Chrome should not open websites randomly. If you have any questions, feel free to ask in the comments below. And don't forget to subscribe.